Happy Halloween! This is Chris Guest for Children's Technology Review. In this spooky puzzle platformer, you control young witch-in-training Belle MacFae. Framed for ruining a mysterious witch's brew, you are tasked with obtaining rare ingredients to replace it before the end of the night. Even school isn't safe on the eve of Walpurgisnacht, though, and all manners of ghouls roam the hallways. Belle must defend herself using her magic skills, flicking fireballs from her wand to fend off everything from Frankenstein's monster to a three-headed rat king. Andrew Beto, the game's sole developer, is also a renowned pixel artist, and his work is on full display here alongside Amiga-inspired tunes by Dan Rogers. So Mystik Belle's many environments are a treat for the eyes and the ears. A trick, however, comes in the form of the game's main twist. Inspired by adventure games of old, both for better and for worse, traversing Hagmore doesn't just require acrobatics, and you must also flex your brain to solve puzzles. This requires finding various items, some of which are red herrings with no purpose, to topple environmental obstacles or combine into convoluted contraptions. Usually this is easy enough as long as you pick up items and keep characters in mind as you play, but a few puzzles can leave you stumped, wandering the school for ages. Without spoilers, one puzzle requires you to craft a mold and melt metal into it. Belle remarks her frustration at having to suddenly learn metallurgy, mirroring our feelings exactly upon finding the way to accomplish this. Children may easily get stuck on these parts. Another frustration comes from raccoon enemies who can steal your inventory items. You can reclaim all stolen items from a small crawl space nearby, but this isn't made obvious, and you may not even realize an item has been stolen with how quickly they can hide away with them. Our only other concerns are some inappropriate language for younger children in the Steam version. Thankfully, there is a kid-friendly filter in the options menu. We played on the WayForward published version, rated E10+, available on Xbox One and PS4, which by default have toned-down language. Also, some monster designs may be a little scary for children, like a giant spider and some zombie-like enemies. But that's the point of Halloween after all, and nothing we notice goes too far into the realm of gruesome. Despite its hiccups, Mystik Belle comes away as a unique, puzzling, Halloween-themed adventure game, perfect to get into the scary spirit. This has been Chris Guest for Children's Technology Review. Have a safe, happy Halloween, everyone.
Oh no! I'm a ghost!